Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and also tell you how to fix Face ID error if it is not working or disabled. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Be sure, friends, write already comments after watching and also put your likes under this video. And friends, we're going to get started. And I'm going to show you a few methods on how you can fix this problem. First of all, you will need to remove all the covers from your iPhone. Perhaps you have somehow improperly glued the protective glass. You need to try to remove anything that may interfere with recognizing your face with this part of your iPhone. If you have removed everything, but it still doesn't help you. Next, try going to the Face ID settings themselves. To do this, open the settings on your iPhone. Next, friends, scroll down to the bottom. Tap Face ID password. Enter your phone's password. Now you'll need to scroll down and find this option here, which is called Reset Face ID. Click on it. This is how you will delete the Face ID data. And you'll need to set up Face ID again after you reset it. Right here at the bottom, you will have an option to set up Face ID. After that, you'll just need to re-enable your iPhone to remember and read your face. But try to do it at an angle where you will be, let's say, unlocking your phone in the future. Because if you do it in some not-so-natural pose, then when you unlock your phone, it won't be able to recognize your face. If, unfortunately, this action didn't work for you, then please go to Settings. On your iPhone, select General. Next, select Update your iPhone. Just so you can see, you may not have your iPhone updated to the latest version of iOS, which, unfortunately, can interfere with Face ID reading. If you don't have your iPhone updated to the latest version, then simply tap Update at the bottom and wait for the process to complete. If that didn't help you either, then you in general go to the Reset iPhone option at the bottom. And then select the Reset option and reset all settings. This I recommend you to use only in the most extreme cases if nothing helps you to fix the Face ID error. Then you can go for resetting all the settings of your iPhone. After such resets, any problems will be eliminated, and you will need to reconfigure all the settings of your iPhone. These are the methods you can use to fix Face ID error, which is not working or disabled on your iPhone. Don't forget to like, comment, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. Take care, friends.